만나보는 사람이 있을 것 같아요. 그래가지고 오늘은 다른 책을 갖고 왔어요. 바로 The Best Birthday Party Ever입니다. 자, 이제 그럼 시작해보겠습니다. 알겠죠? Start. When we are twins, they are always together. They look the same.
They look the same. 그렇지.
They share the same birthday.
그렇지.
They have
the same friends.
The same friends.
그렇지.
But I wanna chocolate cake for my birthday. I want a strawberry cake.
그렇지.
Okay.
오케이. 그랬더니
I want to dress up like a prince. 아니, superhero.
superhero.
I want to dress up like a prince.
Like a prince.
Okay.
Okay.
The party is going to be at the home.
At home.
No, the party is going to be at the park. Let's have two separate parties then.
Let's have two separate parties then.
Why? Ray and Roy are so different.
Ray and Roy are so different.
Today is Ray and Roy's birthday, but Ray doesn't look happy.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Ray! Are you enjoying your birthday? But no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Roy doesn't look happy.
Either.
Happy birthday, Roy! Are you enjoying your birthday party? No, I'm not.
No, I'm not. 왜 그럴까?
Mommy's not here. Daddy's not here.
Mommy and daddies are not here.
And
I want
all my friends here.
그렇지. All my friends here.
Do you want to have a party with Roy? Yes. Do you want to have a party with Ray? Yes.
그렇지.
Now, Ray and Roy are having a party together. Mommy and Daddy are both here. Roy says, and all my friends have
Here.
here too. Roy says.
그렇지.
This
All of
is
our
the-
friends are here too.
This is the best birthday party ever. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. 이제 여러분들이 이 책을 봐줘서 정말 고맙습니다. 안녕히 계세요.
잠깐만요. I have a question. Do you want a twin?
No.
왜요?
I want no.
You want no?
No.
왜? Why not?
No. 난 공부하고 싶다고. 한자리 마법.
다시 한번